Okay, next up, have a seat and also have a strap. Okay, you're gonna sit in Baddha Konasana. Okay, so match the soles of your feet. And you can here make fists with your hands. Lift the buttocks up and work yourself in nice and close towards your heels. You can do that a few times. Push your fists down, lift yourself up, buttocks towards the heels. Okay, and then take hold of your feet and pull back against yourself. Sit really tall. Okay, deepen your hip sockets, externally rotate. Push the feet together, turn your thighs out, and then pull back against yourself, lift your chest up. Baddha Konasana. Okay, now lean all the way to your right side and just a couple pumps here. Pump the left side open, like you're trying to push the knee towards the ground. A couple times. And then swing yourself all the way to the left there. And now you're trying to open this right side. Okay, pump it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open up and then come back to the center. And again, Baddha Konasana. Push the feet together, rotate those thighs out from your inner groin to your inner knee, reach the inner line of your legs away, 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 and see if that helps to get the knees to descend. Okay, pull back against yourself, sit really tall, and breathe. Okay, release, fold your knees together, and extend your legs to straight. Okay, now we're gonna play with a pose called Ardha Matsyendrasana 2. And we're gonna break it down. So we're gonna work first with a Baddha Konasana leg in this pose. Okay, so seated in Dandasana, take your right leg into Baddha Konasana and you can just have it pressing along the inside of your left leg. Okay, you can turn that thigh in for right now. Okay, now what I want you to do is take your strap and place it on that straight leg here like this. You see my strap? And then actually you're gonna bend that leg and reach your left arm behind you. Bend the leg however much you need so that you can stick your fingers there into the loop. Okay, see I've got my fingers here into the loop, this backhand. And you wanna adjust this buckle so that you have access to this tail. So I just shifted the buckle more towards the foot. Now if I have this tail here, I can pull it towards me and make it tighter. Okay, so what you need to do here is extend the leg to straight and it should feel tight, right? As you push against the strap, watch what happens to my forearm. As I push against the strap, I start to turn myself to the left, okay? Reach into the strap and turn. Now, I had my strap relatively tight already to begin with, but if you have a bigger loop, then when you straighten the leg, it's gonna be easy, right? There's no resistance. So that's where you hold the tail, bend the leg, make it nice and tight when the leg is bent, and then as you push into it, you should feel it pulling your left shoulder around, left shoulder corner around. Okay, so just play with that for a little bit, bend it, find the right tension. And then once you have that, then stay with the left leg bent, left arm is inside, hooked up on the strap, and then reach your right arm forward for the small toe side of your left foot. Okay, thumb down, reach here, and now let's put it all together here. Turn the front of your left thigh in, scrub that heel away from you as you straighten. Turn yourself to the left. At the same time with your right hand, pull up against the foot, chest up, turn to the left more. Ardha Matsyendrasana 2. This really beginning stages here. Okay, and then release. Okay, I hope you're getting that. In the classic asana, well, classic asana, the foot here is in a Padmasana position, and the arm comes and grips the leg like this. Okay, so if you can grip your thigh, by all means, you don't need to use the strap, but this is a nice way to start to get that feeling if it's not available. Okay, let's go for the second side and doing just that much here. Second side, left leg is bent in Baddha Konasana. Right leg is straight this time. We're going to turn towards the right side. Okay, so you can take your strap here and you're going to place it on your foot, hook it, have a big enough loop so you can easily take hold. Swing your right arm behind you and bend that right leg as needed so that you can get your fingers here inside this loop. And then with the right leg bent, tighten up your strap. Tighten up your strap here. And now remember, as you straighten your right leg, it pulls this hand, pulls this forearm, pulls the right shoulder back, and you're going to turn towards the right side. Okay, so foot is inside the strap. Reach for the small toe side of your foot, and now put it all together. Turn the front of the right thigh in, scrub your heel away, drag that forearm further across, roll your right shoulder back, turn, turn, turn. Okay, if you need to retighten the strap a little more, give it another tug and go again. Turn your abdomen, turn your ribs, roll that right shoulder back, Ardha Matsyendrasana, 2. Okay, and then release. Okay, so now let's build on this a little bit. Okay, so as I mentioned, the classical positioning for the leg is not Baddha Konasana, but it's a Padmasana action. Okay, calf rolls, thigh rolls, and the heel of your foot comes into the pit of the groin of the extended leg. Okay, now if Padmasana is not available here for you, maybe a knee issue or other sorts of problems, you can continue to work with your leg in Baddha Konasana. Okay, you can also continue to work with the strap. It's available. I taught it to you so that you know it's there and you can use it. Okay, but I'm also going to show you a technique to work with this pose without the strap. Okay, so let's give this a go here. You're going to take your right leg now, bend it a little bit to the side, reach forward, lift it up. With your elbow, you can remind the thigh to externally rotate, pull the calf flesh a little bit towards you, and then place your leg into Padmasana. Okay, turn it out and place the leg in Padmasana. Now here you're swinging the left arm behind you, okay? But what if it doesn't reach the thigh like I showed? So here what I want you to do is, we rolled over a little bit in Baddha Konasana, roll all the way over onto that right knee, right leg there, until your hand can catch inside there, okay? Between the calf and the thigh. I mean, some people maybe can reach all the way to the front of the shin, but whatever you can get a hold of, get your fingers in there. Even if it means that the left buttock lifted, that's fine. Roll over, take hold. Then reach your right arm forward, hold the foot, get those fingers in there more. Now pull against yourself, start to turn to the left, turn, turn, turn. Now continue to turn and start to lower that left hip down, turn to the left more. Descend the left hip, turn to the left, and don't lose the grip that you have there on your right leg. Revolve. Use your forearm here into your back, and then move those back ribs in and up, revolve. And then release. Okay, carefully undo the leg, Marichyasana, Dandasana, pause. Okay, second side here, left leg, gonna lift it up and place it in Padmasana, your variation of Padmasana. If you can get it all the way, take it. If not, we're going to do some more work with Padmasana, so you can go through some different stages in a minute. But for right now, I think it's going to be really uncomfortable if you keep your foot like on the thigh. Either it comes up or you work better to get the fruits of this asana by working with the leg in Baddha Konasana for right now. Okay, so make a wise choice. And then from here this time, you're going to swing the right arm behind you and roll, roll, roll all the way onto that left leg and see how much my right buttock is lifted. Roll until you can get your fingers inside. Get in there. And then reach forward with the left hand. Hold your small toe side of your foot and start the twist. Turn yourself to the right. You can pull back with a straight arm. The left arm is straight. Pull back, lift up. Turn yourself to the right. Roll that shoulder back. Now keep the grip with your right hand. Keep turning, turning, turning to the right. And now descend your right hip down. Turn to the right more. Every point is connected. The more you descend, the more you turn. The more you descend, the more you turn. The more you pull on your extended leg that's straight, the more you can turn to the right. It's all related. Okay, and then release, let go, and again, mindfully exit your Padmasana. Keep the knee straight, in line, and Dandasana.